Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to bust a Nintendo Sound Clock Alarmo. Now this box is kind of cute, but if you don't know what this box looks like. I don't know, that box is kind of like a small cube box. But I don't know, that box is looking familiar. The clock looks like a Nintendo one, but the clock reminds me of the character from Blue's Clues. I don't know what this clock does in ticking forever. The ticking sounds of the clock always reminds me of when I was sleeping. Here's the back. Placement requirements. A placement compatible bed sizes, twin king, direction facing the center of the bed, distance within arm reach, height no higher than 8 above the bed. Wake up in Nintendo Worlds. Start with the 5 tiles about you can download additional alarms by connecting a Nintendo account. The clock screen changed to fit your chosen alarm. If you don't get up, the alarm goes louder. That's what you get. Bowser roars at you. Roar! And chomp chomp. I mean chain chomp. But I don't know that bad guys don't wake you up, as you don't know why you see these guys. Let's open it up. This is the new official Nintendo clock that has ever released, which is Alarmo. Alarmo is the new clock for Nintendo official release. This is the new Alarmo clock for Nintendo official company. And inside we have a manual, warning, contents coin cell batteries. The charger, and the actual Alarmo clock. Here it is. Well, I don't think this is the one. That doesn't show that the clock ticks. But these clock has to be the one. But this clock has to be the greatest clock in the world. That's what we know if you don't know what this clock reminds me of. It turns. It has some 2 buttons. What state do I live in? Select your time zone. Where do I live? Where do I live? Do I live in Mexico City? No.
Virginia. Virginia State, Chesapeake, Richmond. And Eastern Time. The time zone is Eastern Time. So look for Richmond. R. Look for R. Richmond or Chesapeake. C. Shadi lan sabah. Shadi. I don't know. How you set up time zone over.
I can't find my state.
Virginia, V.
First Virginia.
Your state is Virginia, you said.
Yeah, United States.
I can't. I'm looking for my state.
State Virginia. V.
If I can't find my state, how does it part 2?